Morning, folks. Blessed to wake, be free, and fish another day. We out here at a new spot this morning. Let's see, can you see it back there? Yeah, Lathem. We're gonna give it a try and see what we do. Hopefully these guys enjoy it, and thanks for coming. Come on, get off. But I don't know. I mean, let's go hit one more spot, I guess. This is crazy, bro. There goes one. There goes one. I got one.
Hey, there you go. You need that?
I'm not sure yet, but nah, I don't need a net. I'll flip them. On the trace. Trace has been doing me good last couple of days, man.
All right, I can go. Whoa.
No skunks, bro.
No skunk today. There we go, folks. Nice, healthy one. Nah, medium retrieve. Actually, pretty slow, actually. Well, not slow, but like you said, a medium retrieve, just a steady retrieve.
Subsurface?
Not about 10 feet down.
You said 10 feet down?
Yep. I think this thing falls about, I don't know, maybe a foot every 2 seconds, give or take. So I counted it down to about 20, which I thought was about maybe 10 feet, and just started steady retrieve in the back. And I felt something hit it, so I, leaned sideways on it, and lo and behold, it pulled back on. I wasn't recording back here. Sorry though. Little 2-pounder. 2 pounds even. Oh yeah. Nice healthy fish. We just had a fish blow up over here. He actually jumped out of the water. There, we got him. We just got him. Look at that. We just got him. Well, folks, I got to get out of here. My son's not doing too good. He's got a cold or something going on with him. So I have no cell phone service out here. I was able to get one text message from my wife saying she had to run him to urgent care, and I tried calling her and we were talking for a minute, and then the service went out. So I got to head out of here. Landed that one fish. We got to get out of here. So see if I can call her. Hopefully everything will be all right and should be fine. But we're going to come back out here and give it a try again. So thanks for coming. Appreciate everybody. And until next time.
Right, saying nothing but the END. So follow me into the sun and let your soul be free. The END, the END, the END, the END, the END.